Welcome to ذیمارک Prawns Promotion YouTube channel. Nokia has introduced new amazing brand Nokia X. Amazing look, different colors, stylish with unlock button. Low budget, high performance, silent mode button. Unlock button with under display, lock unlock, three different colors, sky blue, sky gray, big display, underground front camera. Six 6.7 inches dynamic AMOLED Gorilla Glass Victus. .5 audio jack stereo speakers. (8150 mAh battery, 34 watt fast charging. Amazing charging display. (12 GB, 14 GB, 16 GB of RAM. In beautiful yellow color. Operating system Android 13, One UI 5.0. (64 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel camera, 4K at 30 FPS. (24 megapixel front camera). Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G 5th generation 5G Adreno 642 GPU. (512 GB and 1 terabyte internal storage, no expandable. Expected price $249, 4,400 euro, 2,200 pound, and 12,000 of Indian price. To launch mid 2022. Let's see and watch. subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.